your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms.
Before I get into any kind of routine, it's very important for me to have my space clean and for me to feel like I'm relaxed and I can actually pamper myself. I love to have a clean space, so I always clean my room and my space before I get into my pamper routine, and I think it really helps me a lot. I even put in some scents into my diffuser. I refill my diffuser. I maybe light a candle and make my space feel really calming and soothing. Helps a lot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'll start my self-care / spa weekend at night. I don't know about you, but it takes me at least 3 business days to look good. Today is a Thursday, so I'm gonna stretch this till Saturday, and I'm gonna start with some self-care right now at night so that tomorrow I can wake up with skin as smooth as a baby's bottom. So to begin my skincare routine, I'm going to be using the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clarifying Mask because your girl has acne and she needs some clay mask. I don't want to waste my makeup brush to put my face mask, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to put it with my finger on the places I am most oily. I really like this mask because I have combination skin and this doesn't dry my face out too much. I really like it, plus it has tea tree in it, so that's great. I just have my candle on. I'm gonna put my mask. I'm just gonna wash my fingers and we can relax a little bit, read a book maybe, and then I have to do my upper lip and my eyebrows and some skincare. While my mask is drying up, I'm just gonna eat some pizza, watch Gilmore Girls, and enjoy myself. I've washed off my mask and I'm gonna use the tea tree oil serum after I use my mask. And by the way, the serum doesn't feel like a serum at all. It's super watery in texture and I really like that because since I mentioned I do have combination skin, so I try to stay away from the really moistury type creams and serums by Body Shop. I'll link it down below. It's the only serum I use when I'm doing like my pamper routine or whatever. You know that thing that beauty people do where they do like that? Does it really help? I don't know. Also, if I get to know that you're not doing a self-care routine, I'm gonna be big mad. You need to like give yourself 2 to 3 days and just do this for yourself and love yourself. If you don't do that, I'm gonna be mad. Like, I'm gonna be angry. So if you're seeing this is a reminder to freaking love yourself and do like a whole ass routine. I don't care whatever it is, just get it done, sis. You need it, okay? Do we understand each other? Are we good? After I've used my serum, I'm going to go in with the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer. Again, this is gel based. My Combo Skin Ash doesn't take anything else. Gonna use this. Also, now that winter is coming.
Winter is coming!
On my lips now, only over here, I get a lot of dryness. So for my lips, I use the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's too thick for me, so I only use it on my lips. And I'm done. By the way, this was only like part 1 of 100 because I have so many more things to do and so many more ways to love myself during the spa weekend. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because I forgot to do my upper lip and eyebrows, so that'll be fun. Also, we need to do our nails, we need to do a full-on mani-pedi, and we need to do more face masks, and we need to do everything we can to feel good about ourselves because that's why we're here, for self-love, self-improvement, and Is there anything to life other than those two things? I don't think so. So, good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, it's the next day. Yesterday I forgot to film and do my upper lip and eyebrows, so I need to do it today before I head out. I am going to be using these wheat waxing strips, and I'm going to cut it into really thin strips and then like do that, but I need some powder before that. Okay, so I know everyone's gonna say like use face powder on your face, but it's a little too late for that now. So I'm gonna be using regular talc, and my skin is really sensitive, so I don't know how this is gonna go because I got the sensitive wheat strips, but it has a picture of legs on it, so I don't really think that can go on my face, but you live and you learn, kid. And today I don't think I'm gonna be doing any living. First, I'm gonna put the powder on the back of my palm. I think the powder helps get the oil out from your body and face so that it makes an easier application. If that makes sense? Okay, I'm really scared now, but it's fine. Are you ready? I'm not. I'm gonna cut in really thin strips like so, and then I'm gonna cut it in half. What's good about this is you can use one strip 2 times. I'm gonna keep this one aside and I'm gonna use only this. Not bad. I mean, I'm not gonna know how good it is until... Okay, are you ready? Oh. Ew. I'm not gonna lie, that was not fun. Oh, beauty is pain. I can't believe I'm voluntarily doing this. Ew, nasty. Gross. Okay, that was a different kind of pain. That was just cruel at this point. This should be a pain care routine. Like, this is really painful. Are you ready? It's 7 in the morning. I do not know why I agreed to do this. If I had to review it, I would say 10 on 10, highly recommend, especially since I can't go to the parlor, you know what I mean? Now it's time for eyebrows. I think I should cut a thinner strip for eyebrows, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I made it really thin since I look like a grizzly bear. I'm looking clean, so I mean, I don't see the problem. Beauty is pain, friends. Ew, that's nasty. You wanna see my hair? Can you see it? It's gross too. Next. Wow, my face looks clean. After I waxed my face, I'm feeling really swollen, so I'm just gonna put a mask and then I'm gonna make some coffee and make it look really aesthetic and nice, because since it's a self-care day, I want to feel my best and I want to eat the best and I want to look the best. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna full on do that stupid whipped coffee that everyone's doing. Like, I think it's about time I did that rubbish. So yeah, you can come with me. We're gonna make some really aesthetic looking coffee. Okay. Mask on, robe on. Let's do this B. Oh, by the way, if you can see, like in my eyes, I got a ring light. Wow, Sahad, you really are the brightest of the lot, aren't you?
I love giving myself manicures and I usually opt for a square shape when I am filing my nails. I try to file in one motion only. This is what they look like. I'm just gonna wipe away the nail file residue with some alcohol or nail polish remover just to get everything out. After that, I always use a base coat, anything below the color to protect my nails. I think it's so important. This is the shade I'm going for. I'm a sucker for nudes and really light pinks and reds. I usually do 2 very thin coats and I find it doesn't chip. I always seal my polish in with a top coat, no matter what. I love that extra shine, and I finish off with some cuticle oil so that my cuticles are nice and moisturized after I'm done with my nails. also use some hand cream at the end of my nail care routine because I do have pretty dry hands.